Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Telegram account without phone number. So first of all, we want to know if it is possible or not to create a Telegram account without a number. You just go back right here and go ahead into searching on your browser. And here the question is, can you use Telegram without a phone number, or can you create without a phone number? And here in the highlighted in the yellow, you're gonna see when setting up Telegram account for the first time, the user's country and phone number are required. As a result, there's no option to create an account without a phone number. This requirement applies to both the mobile and the desktop apps, as Telegram sends code to the number to complete the registration and basically authenticate that this is your own account. Okay, and beside the authentication, a phone number makes it possible for contacts who have the number stored on their device to message a user on the platform. Although Telegram has added the option to find contacts by username, this only works for those who have the feature set up. So basically, in a nutshell, you need to have a phone number, a valid phone number, to be able to create a Telegram account, and without it you won't be able to even validate that this is your account, or even get to use Telegram. So unfortunately for now it is not possible, but of course we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.